These plants did not exist in Hawaii. They were brought in by Polynesians probably 500 to 700 years ago or more. And the reason why is a couple things. Quick skirt. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Really quick skirt. If you're naked, you can cover yourself.
Yeah.
If you're a kid and you want to slide down a hill, you can hold on to this, sit on that, and slide right down a grassy hill. It's a good toy. Also, they take fish and cabbage and they roll this thing up and they sell it to you as a lau lau.
Yeah, yeah.
And when you open it, you have a plate to eat off of. Okay. Also, you can make this into lei, but you can't do it in this state. You see how it's very brittle? It'll tear real easy. So you have to actually either freeze it or you heat it. And what that does is that breaks down the cell wall and then it makes it malleable, and you can actually make that and braid it into a tea leaf lei.
Yeah, I've seen those. Okay, awesome.
This is also the very first alcoholic beverage. Okay, Hawaiians would take the entire plant, they would put it inside of their canoe and fill it with fresh water and leave it for 4 to 5 months and let it ferment. And it would get nasty and bubbly and all kinds of stuff. Flies and ick would be growing on top, and they move that off the top and they scoop in and they drink a little bit of a fermented water. Kind of bitter, but it gave them about a 5% alcohol. So it gave them a little bit of buzz. Yeah.
Yay.
Well, when Captain Cook came, the Australians came off of his ship and they said, hey, we can distill. We have a big well vat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the root of that plant, that mash, and we're gonna take that fermented mash, we're gonna stick it in here, we're gonna boil that up, and we're gonna actually distill that. And they did, and they made like an 80 proof liquor called Okolehao. So you can actually buy Okolehao.
Like Okole, your bottom?
Yes. So what that represents is the Okole is the shape of the pot. Yeah?
Yeah.
And the how was the fermented mash.
Okay.
Yeah? So Okolehao is the name of the drink. And you can buy it now from Maui Rum Company. They call it Hawaiian Moonshine. And so you can get it in a little, it almost looks like a Clorox bottle.
Cool.
So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's very, very strong. Hair pops out of your chest and flames shoot out your nose. Yeah.